Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. In this video, I will show you how to send stylish message in Instagram. So you can send the message in different way. So that will make the look of your message very different. I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your Instagram account, then go to message. So here open any Instagram chat. Here I will open, type anything you want to send it and click on this search icon. You can see here, you will see a different style here, how you want that message to be sent. For example, I will select the last one. It will be sent in this way, and if someone will click on this, it will open like this. I will show it for one more. You can see the second one is like this. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.